Ready, go.
Kingston smells smoke. Kingston sit on a bench in the shape of a white swan. Chuck takes lunch to Kingston. Kingston has fish on a white dish. Kingston drink soda. Kingston stop and tap Chuck. Kingston put up his hand and whispered, "I think I smell smoke." Kingston looked. "It is smoke." Kingston yelled, "Ring the bell." Chuck ring the bell. Kingston ran to the pond with a big jug. Chuck ran to the pond with a big jug too. Chuck swam in and filled up two big jugs. The big jugs. Kingston takes a full jug from Chuck. Kingston and Chuck run from the pond. Ding, tick, tack, tick. Smoke is over the path. A big black pot is in the stone stove. The pot is in flames. Kingston and Chuck put out the flames. Kingston men run to Kingston. Kingston men smile. "You put out the flames." Kingston wink at Chuck. "We did it."
Okay.